Today we are cooking up some maple sap to turn into maple syrup. Okay, here's an update. If you can see, it's starting to get like the amber look. It's been about like almost 2 hours. Here's another update. Been about 3.5 hours. I got another pot going, warming up that I can transfer into this pot here. And about 14, 15 gallons of sap that I'm boiling down. I got some brisket warming up and cooking up. I already tried a couple pieces right here. Tastes fantastic. The brisket is from a local butchery. Here's another update. It's been about 5 hours almost. And yeah, I almost have all the sap of what's going to be the sugar into one pot. The maple sap's still flowing. I'm checking the maple taps. And well, this is my furthest bucket back in my woods. And just about 3 hours ago, I was over here. And a tree just fell down that close to the bucket. It's good I wasn't right here. Here's another angle of that tree. It's not a small tree. Okay, another update. It's now been boiling for 6.5 hours and it's almost done. I'm going to be finishing off inside on the stove to make sure that I don't like overcook it and then it becomes hard candy, but I'm gonna probably get about 1/4 gallon of syrup. Update. Well, 7.5 hours in of boiling the maple sap, and now I have it on the stove with about 3 pots. Try and boil this down before I go to bed. It has a little bit more to go of boiling, but it's been 8 hours already of boiling the sap, and here's a little bit of it. Now, it's not fully syrup just yet, but I'm gonna taste this. Oh, it's almost syrup. Wow, that is really sweet. That is sugary sweet. And get a little bit of that smoky flavor. Fantastic. It just finished 9 hours of boiling. And I thought I was gonna get 1/4 gallon of syrup, and I got about 1/2 gallon of syrup. That is more than I thought. And it tastes fantastic.